Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Colleen, and first of all, before I'm going to proceed to my video, I wanna say thank you everyone for subscribing to my channel. I'm gonna say it again. I can't say thank you enough for you all. And for today, we're gonna do an unboxing for our cold Gaia Trina. If you haven't heard it yet, I've seen a few reviews of some of their items online. It's to tell you guys a little bit of this company. It is created in 2012, so I'm just, if you see me looking down, because I'm reading it on my computer right in front of me, because I don't want to give you guys a misinformation as much as I can. So this particular company is created in 2012 by Jasmine Larian. Called Gaia designs beautiful heirloom pieces that will live in your closet forever. The cornerstone of Cult Gaia's DNA has been forged with the ideal of creating objects, the art that make you look twice. And with that being said, you will see what I meant later on. Since its inception, the company has grown from accessories into a full-fledged lifestyle brand, selling everything from ready-to-wear to shoes, a world of Gaia. So I have seen a few unboxing and reviews of some of their pieces, but this particular one, it actually catches my attention. And if you are interested in this particular item, they are running a promotions right now that it takes 20% off of everything, like every pieces. It can be on sale or full price item. It's 20% off almost everything. Use code give back. And for disclaimer alert, this is not sponsored at all. This is just some pieces that I decided to pick. So this is the Cult Gaia, and it comes with all these receipts right here. So this is the Trina bag cream. Let's just get into it. We're just going to cut the topic, the talking, because I don't want to keep you guys longer here. So that's the receipt, and this bag comes with this beautiful sturdy box right here. I honestly haven't seen it yet, so let's go look at it together. So it's beautiful, and look how much detail it is. Like the inside of the bag, they definitely give a, what do you call this, a reason, or they're really being true to their words, as this object is an object of like a piece of art. Even how they created their boxes, that alone, so much detail in it, you guys. And then this is how it is. Just going to up. That is a really, I mean, I'm impressed. I haven't seen anything like that. Even my other luxury handbag, I haven't seen anything like it at all. So the bag comes with this, and I want to show you guys what else do we have in here. It also comes with this. It says Cult Gaia. Temperature is really getting warmer this time. So, alright. So it says this unique bag is handmade by skilled artisans using exceptional materials. Slight variations are to be expected and are what make this piece unique. perfectly imperfect. Please be gentle and take care as this is delicate piece. All right. I kind of like that message. So right in the bottom is the same thing. It has that like a foam materials or like a cardboard materials that is shaped like a triangle. And so the bag, let's get into it. Comes with this dust bag. Dust bag feels really good. And are you guys ready? Dang, dang. Oh my God. Look at this. I didn't expect it to be this size, but I thought it was smaller than this, but surprisingly, it's all over leather materials with their logo that's been sewn in the leather. If you guys can see it, it's called Gaia. The leather is kind of like a snake's pattern right here. I chose this. It definitely comes with a different leather as well and different texture, but I just decided to get this one because it seems like it's really bring that exotic look on the bag. And yeah, it's a piece of art. And I am going to attach a pictures or a photo on the side so you guys can see how the model carries it. So this is the bag. It is, yeah, the same thing. Item is not returnable once tags come off. So let's open it and see what's inside it. But before that, I'm gonna show you the hardware. It's kind of like an antique gold, like a brass color. It's really beautiful. So let's go open the inside. Look at that. I have bottled water. It comes with a mirror. I didn't know that it comes with a mirror. That's gorgeous. It comes with a mirror right here. And it also had definitely a slot for your card. 3 slots right here that you can put your card in. And before I decided to purchase this handbag, it also says that it only fits in the iPhone 10 or something is smaller than that, so definitely won't hold the newer iPhone at this moment. And the next compartment, that's quite space. There's more space than I expected actually. And it also have another space right here that you can put just about anything. I think the size of that compartment actually will hold the phone if you're just going to carry lipstick, so just a bare minimum essential if you're decided to use it somewhere or something. So that's the second compartment, and now we're going to open the next one. You guys, this is more than, it exceeds my expectation. I'm really happy. Look, there is more compartment right here. There's a little snap that you can put about coins or anything or your cash, and another card slots right here. There's 3 of them. You can put a card, and then the bottom is it's also nice to have something that is like a work of art, you know what I mean? And just because we just opened this, I am gonna try to see, I'm gonna try to make another video for the on what fits in my cult Gaia Trina. In addition to a little bit of information about this particular handbag, the Trina bag, which is this, also comes with amber color. I am going to attach up pictures of that. And this is originally 598. The Trina bag amber, which almost look like a not this bag, almost look like a suede. It is 598, and it also comes with Trina bag sand, which is more like a sack looking material, and that's the same price point with the other Trina, like the amber color. And then this one, the Trina bag cream, which is what I have right now, it's retail about 628 US dollar, but it is on sale right now for 438. On top of that, you'll get 20% off if you use the code give back, and that promotion is still going on their site. If you guys interested, just go ahead and check that out. So this one, that's the price point, and we'll see if I can show you guys how it looks like. So I'm gonna give you guys another look for this bag. And yeah, but it's really beautiful, and I'm gonna let you guys see one more time how it looks like. And it's definitely a piece of art. So I'm gonna open it again right here. So I decided to stand up so you guys can see how it looks on me. And there's another one. I think that is really clever to have it like a tree size, like a triangular side. And it also comes that mirror outlet right here. It's definitely a plus, you know, if you are going to something like on a special occasion and all. I mean, any mirror with you. And the thing, the good side about it is it's already built in your bag, so you don't need to carry an extra mirror with you or a little compact mirror with you, because you already have it right here. And it's really easy to, if you want to do a retouch or anything on your makeup. Really pretty. Let's close it right here. And there you go, guys. I am really excited to have this as part of my collection, and hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and push the notification bell so you don't miss out every time I posted a new video. And thanks you guys for staying with me, and I will see you guys next time.